Welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Renowned media personality Paula Ann Porter-Jones had the launch of her debut children's book, Sandy Tosh and the Moo Cow, on Sunday at the St. Andrew Parish Library. The new and exciting children's book, Sandy Tosh and the Moo Cow, follows the early morning adventure of Tosh and his older sister Sandy. The two embark on a journey that takes them up and down the roads in their neighborhood in search of the elusive moo cows. Along the way, they stumble upon plants and animals of all shapes and colors to find a little more adventure than they bargained for. The striking, colorful images, as well as the idea of finding adventure right in your backyard, are sure to stir up the wonder and imagination of young readers and bring back memories for parents as they read along. Paula tells us her inspiration behind the book.
One day, my son Tosh woke up, heard a cow outside mooing, said he wanted to see it. His sister took him on a walk and they had a little adventure. And when they came back, I thought it was so cute that we sat together, we wrote it down, we drew the pictures, they drew some, I drew some, and jokingly said we would make it into a book one day. And years later, I've met Tanya Batson-Savage, and she has allowed this to be a reality. The book is available at Bookophilia and at My Jamaica in the Ligani Plaza. Cozy Corner also can provide it, and pre-order on Amazon.com.
Dancehall artist Kaleda is currently on a European tour. The tour kicked off on March 16 and will conclude on April 30. For the rest of the tour, Kaleda will make several stops, including Finland, Germany, Austria, and France. The tour will feature dancehall artist Richie Loop as his opening act. Kaleda recently released a track dubbed Carry On. The video for the song will be released soon. Kaleda, who is now signed to New York-based Dunsum booking agency, is known for his raunchy chart-topping hits like Personally and Make Me Feel. Now, on the international scene, American singer Beyonce was the headliner at this year's staging of Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival on Saturday night. The singer opened her long-anticipated performance with one of her hits, Crazy in Love, accompanied by a New Orleans-style brass marching band. Beyonce also performed several songs from her discography, ranging from her first solo album Dangerously in Love through her latest album Lemonade. For nearly 2 hours, Beyonce revealed surprise after surprise, performing hits like Deja Vu with her husband Jay-Z, dancing with her sister Solange, and reuniting Destiny's Child with Kelly Rowland and Michelle Williams. They appeared on stage with their hits Say My Name, Soldier, and Lose My Breath. Beyonce turned the temperature up some more when she added some Jamaican flavor to her set, performing her smash 2003 single with Sean Paul, Baby Boy, sampling Vybz Kartel's Fever, Vegas, Sister Nancy's Bam Bam, and Don Penn's classic hit You Don't Love Me. Beyonce and Destiny's Child's appearance at the festival has been touted as a historic one. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.